I'm just trying to be a father, raise a daughter and a son, be a lover to the mother, everything to everyone. I've been out on bright and early, all business in my suit. Yeah, I'm dressed up for succession, from my head down to my boots. I don't do it for the money, there's bills that I can't pay. I don't do it for the glory, I just do it anyway. Providing for our futures, my responsibility. Yeah, I'm real good under pressure, being all that I can be. I can't call in sick on Mondays when the weekend's been too strong. I just work straight through the holidays, some nights all night long. You can bet that I stand ready when the wolf calls at the door. Hey, I'm solid, hey, I'm steady, hey, I'm down, true down to the core. And I will always do my duty, no matter what the price. I'm counting up the cost, I know the sacrifice, and I don't wanna tell you. Birth dying's asking me, I'll bear that cross without her. 'Cause freedom don't come free. I'm an American soldier, an American. As my brothers and my sisters, I will gladly take a stand. When liberty is in jeopardy, always do what's right. I'm out here on the front line, sleep in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American soldier. You're an American soldier, an American besides my brothers and my sisters. I will proudly take a stand when liberty is in jeopardy. I will do what's right. I'm out here on the front lines, so sleep in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American, an American, an American soldier.